to the first day of this Design Genius Master course. So today, this is what we'll be replicating. This is what we'll be replicating on our first day of meeting concerning flyer design. Okay, um, let's go. First thing we are going to do, change the background. We are still making use of this normal image size, which is 1280. 1280, 1280. We are still making use of the normal image size. And then let's go to color, click on color, and then look for white. Change the background to white. Okay, what we are going to do next is to bring in the background image. Click on this side. Don't forget, click here, and click import. Okay, import. Let's import our background image. Have you seen it? Now come here, don't touch it. Just come to relative size, increase it to 100. You can see, and then centralize it. I hope you can see it now. So what we are going to do is that reduce the opacity. Okay, opacity, reduce it to 12. 12, yeah, 12 is okay. So that is good. So this is brilliantly okay. And what we are going to do next is to import. Okay, let's import our shape first. This shape, this. Okay, come here and increase the radius to 30. Change the color. Hold on. All right. Okay, it's brilliant. You see, I increase it to 30. Then what we are going to do next is to make it in this shape and then increase the size. Okay, just make sure you are careful while working on this. Just make sure you are careful, extra careful, please. Okay, just make sure you are more careful. Okay, all right, let's move it in a bit. And sorry, let me make it balance. Okay, brilliant. Okay, copy it and then change the color to a milk color. Okay, hello Madonna. Oh, hello. So it's okay like this. Just take it to the back, and increase the size a bit. Increase the size just a little, not much initially, just little. Okay, just little. Okay, I hope you can see it brilliantly. Okay, now close it. Import the image. The bike man. Is it this? No. Okay, this is not the one we are using first. This is the one we are to use first. All right, what we are going to do is to copy it. Just copy it and then press here. I hope you are following every instruction. Just press here. Okay, all right, I hope you can see it. Increase the size rate. I hope you can see the way I did mine. Hmm? I hope you can see it. Alright. Aha. So what we are going to do next is very simple. Just copy it, copy, and then come to crop again. Crop. I hope you can see the way this is where I pressed. This is where I pressed. This side. Okay? Good. So I want to make it, I want to create reflection. Okay? I want to create reflection. Reflection. Just a little bit reflection. Reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity to 10. Okay? Now is okay. Now is okay. Alright, so close it. What you are going to do next is very simple. Close it and just leave this one first. Leave it first. Come to your image. Create something like this. Increase the size to 7 and then use the same background. Okay, just make it like this. Please follow every instructions. Follow every instruction so you can get the same result. Okay, bring it back. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it. Alright. Okay, still click on it again. Go to crop and edit. Crop it to, I think what we need is just something this, like this. I hope you are seeing it now. Alright. So we just need something like this. Something like this is okay. Okay. I think it's okay. So I'm good to go. So just place it up there. Make sure you use your relative to make sure everything you are doing is well balanced. Okay. Alright. So bring this in. Change the color to white. Click on color and change it to white. Okay. To font. Press to font. Alright. I hope you are seeing everything I'm doing. Okay. Hello, Madonna. Elohim. As a designer, you need to always ensure your work is well arranged and aligned. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to bring in our text. But before then, remember there's a line, this down line. Okay, what we are going to do is to just copy this, and so that I can get everything well. Copy again and then change this color to reduce. Change this color to Elohim, Elohim Adonai, Elohim, Elohim Yeshua. So merge it together. You merge it together. I hope you can see the steps I'm taking. Okay, come to erase color. Erase the color. I hope you can see that that color has disappeared. And we have this. This is how I am able to achieve this. So what we are going to do next, because of this signer. So what I'm going to do to clean it, come to erase and come to this side and it is being cleaned. Alright, so I'm good to go. That was how I was able to achieve that. Okay, so what we all need here now is what is just our text. Okay, I hope you can see every step I took. So Emi Best Logistics. Okay, Emi Best Logistics. Emi Best Logistics. Okay, capitalize it and bring it, change the color to white. Bring in it. Now change the font. I'll be using what is it called? Gotham board. Okay, Gotham Gotham board. This. I'll be using this. Okay, Gotham board. Alright. So logistics. I should reduce the to 13. I think 13 is okay. Should bring it in. Alright. Wow, we are good to go. Okay, what we are going to do next is to bring in our services. Our services. You were Zion's king. Kadosh, God. Now I'm going to be using Go Bold Regular. I so much love it. Go Bold Regular. So I'm using black color, then reduce the size to, I think, 27 is okay. Alright. Now because I'll be making use of this side, I have to bring in my alignment too. We're making use of this side, so I need everything to be well aligned. Okay, as a graphic designer, you must work with alignment. Okay, reduce it to 26. 26 is okay. Everything I'm going to be writing as our services um must be well aligned. That was why I have to make use of alignment as a graphic designer. So what I'm going to do next is to copy this best and then write what our services is all about. Number one is fast delivering pickups. Okay, what you are going to do, just press here. Okay, fast. What you are going to do, just press here. Okay, fast delivery pickup. Yes, then what? Flight ticket. Flight ticket. Then online services, hotel booking. Okay, online services, hotel booking. Okay, what else? Traveling agencies. Then that is all. Traveling agencies. Alright, we are good to go. So capitalize it and bring it in. Change the color to black. Is it black? I make use of, yes, black. Okay, come to align and then I hope you can see it. So because let's make it here, I have to make some corrections. Come to fast delete all this. You have to bring it at the front. Do you get? Alright, just bring them here. Just bring them. Yeah. Alright. You shine Zion's king. Kadosh, Kadosh. I hope you can see how everything is well arranged and aligned. Hmm? Just make sure everything is well aligned and arranged. Okay, I think there is a little bit problem here. Fast delivering and okay, I'm trying to make a kind of correction. Okay, well arranged. So let's bring it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to line spacing. It's too much. Alright, I think let me make it 2. 2 is okay. 2 is okay. Okay, going to bring down our services. Break it down a little bit. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see the way I did mine. I hope you can see the way it's about touching this line, which make it align. What we are going to do next is to copy this and bring it here. Bring it here. What we are going to do, change the color to this and alright. Okay, I think I make use of 3D rotate. Yes, I hope you can see it. I make the 2114. I hope you can see it now. Okay, so I can get the same result. You also have to do the same thing. Okay, just copy best logistics, copy it and bring it down here. Copy it and bring it. Just change the color to the color we are making use of, and then you place it. Try to place it with 3D rotate. Okay, use rotate as well. Use rotate. Alright, we are going to do still come back a little bit. Okay, what we are going to do is to bold it and draw it down a little bit, just a little. Okay, I hope you can see. I hope you can see it now. Good. So don't make mistakes, please. Okay, we are good to go. What we are going to do next is to write in 100% dependable and top okay, top notch. Okay, 100%. I don't want the video to be too much. 100% dependable and then top notch. Alright, so we're making use of go bold regular. Alright, just reduce the color, change it to white, using white color, bring it in. Alright, okay, please make sure your work doesn't exceed the line. You see that I'm trying to make sure it is well balanced so it will not exceed that line. Yes, so it will not become unaligned. Do you get it? Okay, I think it is well balanced now. Alright, okay, we are good to go. Now let's write about us. Click on our service, copy, change it to about us. Okay, capitalize it, bring it in, change the color to white, and then you add this to it. Okay, so what did I write about us? We are always ready and on standby. So copy this logistics. We are always ready and standby. Okay, to pick and tend your order. To pick and tend your order, we are just a phone call away. We are just a phone call away. Our customer satisfaction is our priority. Okay. Alright. So what we are going to do is to bring it, ensure it is being straightened and change the color to white. Change the color to white and you bring it in. I hope you can see it. Now come here and align it to the center. Make sure everything is well aligned in the center and so that it can be more readable or arranged. Thank God. Okay, I hope you can see it. Go what next? Just to bring in our logo, location and everything. That's the only one needed now. Just bring in the logo, reduce the size and change it to white. And draw it down here to make it faster. Alright, so don't forget we are still working on our lines. Okay, still working on our lines. Don't want anything to make it not okay. So we are still working. You still see that everything is well aligned. That I hope you are seeing it yourself. So just write a location. Just write sharp corner 11 of Aqua State. Okay, that's enough. So let me come here to align it to the side. Okay, and then bring it here. Reduce the size to 12. Okay, alright. I hope you can see it now. I hope you can see it. Now what we are going to do next is to bring in our Instagram and our core line. That is what is next for me to bring in. So change the color to this. And okay, before that we are going to change this color to white. Change it to white, then bring in a shape, a cycle shape, and change it to this color, and then reduce the size, reduce the size, reduce the size, reduce the size. All right, reduce the size to 6. Okay, and come here, reduce the size, okay, reduce the size of this also as well. I hope you are following every step. So before you merge them together, copy this first, because we are still going to come back to it, and merge these two together. This is where you are going to press for you to merge. Just press this side, okay, then you merge it together. I hope you are seeing it. So I'm going to merge. I've merged our core line together, then you bring it here. So reduce the size to 5, to 5, reduce the size to 5. Okay, what we are going to do next is to bring in our Instagram. All right, bring in Instagram icon, then change the color to white, change the color to white, and bring in this shape again. But before that, you make sure you copy it, so that we are still going to come back to it. And just make sure you bring it here and bring in this, just draw it up, just bring it here. Okay, all right, so what we are going to do next is to merge both again, and draw it to this. Okay, all right, so reduce it to 5. I hope, as you can see, everything is aligned. I hope you can see it now. I think it's too big. Reduce it to 4. 4 is okay. 4 is okay. So we're still going to reduce that of the color icon. Reduce it to 4 as well. So it means our WhatsApp icon now. Our WhatsApp icon. Okay. So bring in our WhatsApp icon. Our WhatsApp icon now. So this will change it to white. Change it to white. Okay, and then bring it to the front and draw it. Make sure you are careful while doing all this, and draw this to the front and bring it here. No, this is what we need. Okay, I hope you can see the way I did mine. Please be careful while you are replicating yours. Okay, just take your time, and don't be in haste, so I can get the same results. Okay, merge it and bring it here. Okay, wow, beautiful. So what we are going to do is to input our numbers. Let's input number. Let me see, I'm putting my number there. Okay, you can put yours. So I'm using black color, then change it to black. Then come here and I'll be using this same Gotham boat. Okay, I'll just reduce the color. I'll reduce the size rather. The size to 20. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let me change this go board. It's too. Let me change the font. Let me change the font to Gotham medium. Yes, this is okay. Okay, let me go. I copied the number and I'll bring it here to our WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do to bring in our Instagram handle, just copy and add heart. Okay. So this is what we are just going to do. Just change the color to black and then change the font to Gotham medium. Okay, and then okay, this is what we are going to do. Alright, I hope you can see the way I'm able to achieve this. I'm able to achieve this with just my smartphone. Okay, with just my smartphone. So what we are going to do is too far from each other. Let's make it more aligned and proper. So just bring it up, bring it like this. Just bring it like this, and what I'm going to do is to okay, click on this and I think okay, just click on this and bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, then click on one of the number, bring it down, bring it down, just bring it down. Okay, okay, do the same thing to the WhatsApp icon, then you bring it up. Alright, click on the second, click on it. Okay, fine and good. This is how I'm able to achieve this. It's just my smartphone. So to centralize it, just going to click on this aspect and bring it here. Just shift it a little bit. Okay, I hope you can see it now. So click on save as image. You can save it as project on your phone. I have it already, PNG, Ultra. Then allow it to save to gallery. So I want to go and enhance it now. Okay, after saving, so just follow every step. So I'm through with it. This is our design. Okay, so come back here and click on your Adobe Photoshop. So click on the image. So come to double this. Okay, click here and increase it. I hope you see the way it brings more beauty to it. Click on details and sharpen it. This is how I'm able to make this beautiful flyer design. I believe you have been able to get every tricks and logic I took in to get this design. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment. Till we meet next time. Enjoy your day. Bye.